weche mag ohala en ni kambi ma ochung' ne keyo sitima e pacho ka KPLC oketa yanga dwaro margi mar medo nengo sitima gatamalo 40 ka giwacho ni ma biro konyo eno ni teko sitima obedo mongirore e gwenge mathurka. Koloso motelo ne chenro mar chako kawo pach jopiny e wi wach medruok nengo sitima ma ibiro taa kod telo ma ochung' ne gayo teko kod mauta EPRA. Jatend KPLC ma kojolo Geoffrey Muli oluwo ni gigeto medo yuto margi gi siling bilion 30 poni kwayo no puodhi. Poni EPRA opuodho kwayo makamano nengo sitima biro idho nyaka siling 14 kowuok e siling 10 kuom unit ka unit ne jakenya matiyo kod matin ne unit 30 e dwe.
Managing Director at Media Communications Limited from Alex Waterloo.
My name's Jesse Ishini.
Kenya National Bureau of Statistics.
Team from Corporate Communications.
If you look at our customers, out of the 8.7 million customers in domestic customers in KPLC, 6.7 of those customers consume less than 100 units, and therefore they have been on lifeline tariff. And a lifeline tariff is a subsidized tariff. It's a tariff which is far below cost, and therefore that's an area that had to be looked at, so that we can have a percentage of customers paying electricity at a cost that reflects the total cost of supplying power in that area.
This tariff review will be for a 3-year tariff control period that will be commencing hopefully on the 1st of April 2023, running for a 3-year tariff control period. We are hoping that at the end of this process we do land at a sweet spot in terms of balancing between this interest of investors, consumers and other stakeholders, including the government's interest, so that then we're able to ensure that we drive this economy going forward. But as for today, in terms of what is the process, as I said, tomorrow we'll be starting our first public participation meeting in Nakuru. That is tomorrow on Tuesday. We'll then be moving on to Eldoret, going on to Kisumu,